I am going to do a quick video. I want to put a new cover for April on my catch-all planner. I thought that I would start with this washi tape with some spring flowers. And then I have some other washi tape, and then I have these egg stickers, and then we have some bunnies somewhere. And somewhere I have little chicks that I created, but I doubt I can find them in the mess that I have because I just finished another video and it is a mess over here. It is a real mess. And I need to do a quick little cleanup, but I'm not going to do that until I'm ready to go to bed. And I kind of want to finish what I'm doing. And I'm just kind of randomly putting these on. I thought I'd kind of put them in a little semicircle. I'm not really thinking through this. I just kind of want something other than what I had for my planner. They all have bows. Okay, so I don't have to worry too much. I was starting to second guess myself. All right. Okay, this is a different one. Do not ask me why I put it in this particular order. I really don't know. I'll move this one over. And then I can use this to roll it back up. Okay, this washi might blend a little too much, but it says let yourself grow, and I don't know because I really want this. Maybe I could put it above there. All right, let's do this first. Don't stick yet. Like I said, I'm going to do this pretty quickly, and this is just not staying together. Okay, moving along. Okay. I realize that now that that is not center, but it's okay. I'm so not going to worry about it. And we'll just make this off center. I'm going to trim it down a little bit more. There we go. Did I cut it all the way through? I sure did. This gingham is probably one of my favorites. The little gold stripe. Is that even? That is even. Okay. Okay, it doesn't want to cut for some reason. I've already cut the page, so I don't want to press any harder. All right, we have some other little Easter goodies. Little bunny. We could put that one in. This kind of fun one. I have enough Easter eggs. We don't need any more Easter eggs. Nope, not liking that one. I'm kind of liking that. And he kind of fits in that spot too. Okay, I think that works. I think that works. You know, I probably shouldn't put Easter. Well, sometimes Easter is in March. Okay. It's not like it says April, it just has Happy Easter. So it can be used in March as well. I have to pull out the crocodile. Stop it. I just got a whole bunch of pastel patterned paper for making backgrounds. So I'll do a quick flip through of those. We have green and blue and yellow, and then we have stripes. And then we have this chevron pattern, which I used on my journal, which I didn't decorate, but that's okay. It doesn't need to be decorated. All right, there you go. I did a very quick video, and I hope that you like it. Hit the thumbs up, and if you're new, I hope that you will subscribe so that you know when I put out new content. And as always, I love to hear from my audience and would very much like to hear from you. Your thoughts. What would you do for your planner? Bye for now.